What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with NIA Body Kits, and today we're going to be installing the new NIA spoiler on this Lexus GS. Stay tuned. But first, let me tell you a little bit about the NIA spoiler. 1, all our kits are made right here in the US in our Miami, Florida factory. 2, we make them out of quality ABS plastic, making them strong and durable for a long-lasting kit. Unlike urethane, ABS can hold its own weight and won't warp with time. 3, we offer them in many finishes like raw black, which means it comes straight out of the machine and might have some scratches, but they are perfect for wraps or the DIYers who know how to paint. We also offer them in primer, which is prepped and shot with a 2K primer and is ready for paint. We also offer them painted, which means you can get them color matched to the color of your vehicle, or you can get a contrast color like a gloss black, and now the new F gray, which is similar to your front grille. And you can also get them in hydro dip, which is a method of applying carbon fiber print design to our kits and shot with a heavy coat of clear coat. We offer the spoiler without the emblem, or if you would like to add the new Lexus emblem, you can add it to your order. 4, all our kits are designed specifically for each model. We do not copy paste the same design to all the vehicles. 5, we design all our kits to use the factory bolts, pre-drill the holes, and include all the hardware for a smooth and easy installation. With the purchase of the NIA spoiler, you're gonna have the double-sided tape already applied in the back. And if you order it painted and with the emblem, we can already apply it for you. In this case, we painted it black, and we can actually offer that for a little extra cost. You're gonna also receive a 3M adhesion promoter, your screws for installation, and for this installation, you're gonna need a 10mm socket, a clip remover, a little plastic spatula, and a Phillips screwdriver. First things first, we need to remove the factory spoiler if your car has one. So let's start off by opening up the trunk, and then you're gonna locate the panel. With the clip remover, locate all the little clips and start removing them one by one. When you get to the door latch, you're gonna see a clip, and that just clips right off. Locate the door handle and then open it up. There you're gonna see 2 Phillips screws. With the Phillips screwdriver, just remove them. If your car is equipped with the automatic door close, locate the button. The cover comes right off with the clip remover. Just really slowly pull it out. Once everything is off, then the panel should be loose and it comes right out. Once the panel is removed, on the edge, you're gonna see 2 10mm nuts. With your 10mm socket, remove them. Once the 2 nuts are removed, this is when you get your plastic spatula and you get between the spoiler and the trunk. Try to go in between to remove the double-sided tape off and start unclipping the spoiler off the trunk. Now that the spoiler is off, try to remove the double-sided tape off the trunk, but it doesn't need to be completely clean since you're gonna reinstall the new spoiler. Now that the spoiler is removed, you're gonna notice all your factory holes, and then you're gonna realize that the spoiler is equipped with rib nuts on the bottom. This is when you're gonna align all the holes to the rib nuts and use the screws provided to you to install the emblem. You can remove it in order to install our spoiler. Now to install the spoiler, start off by lifting up the double-sided tape backings on the corners. That way you can access it when it comes to install it. Now that all 4 corners of the double-sided tape is folded back, this is when you apply the spoiler. Now that all the corners are folded in the back, this is when you get the adhesion promoter, and you're gonna wipe down the trunk right where the double-sided tape is gonna attach to itself. Now keep in mind, this is an adhesion, so whatever you have over, go back and clean it with a clean towel and don't let it dry in the sun. Now that the trunk is clean, let's place the spoiler on, but making sure you still have access to the double-sided tape backings. If you had the OEM spoiler, this is when you use the same holes to align the new spoiler to the screws. Start applying all the screws in halfway, make sure it's still loose enough for the next step. Now that the spoiler is aligned, this is when you start removing the double-sided tape backing off little by little. Once the double-sided tape is gone, this is when you go back and tighten up all the screws. Once all screws are tight, we'll start putting everything back together. Once everything is tight, you are good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus GS, GS-F. If you have any questions, comment below. We'll always get back to you guys. And please give us a like and a share. Thanks again, guys.
NIA Body Kits. Quality. Engineered. Artistry.